So I already found a whole school of pretty aggressive looking fish here. Good morning, friends of Beyond the Fly. Today is a very special episode, and just super excited to share this with you all. It's officially the weekend to mark the 1-year return back to the water, and just kind of the whole progression through life to get to that point, to come out and soak up the benefits of the cool water, and just a mental break from a long time battle with Lyme disease. So there's been a lot accomplished over the years, a lot of reflection, a lot of health benefits, a lot of recovery. More importantly, I am far better off today than I was a year ago, and that is just super exciting, very special to me. So fly fishing just has been a huge positive impact on my life, and helping me to deal with the current situation. We're getting better, we're making improvements, and for this very special episode, I just want to say thank you to my family and to my close friends for the support. Even though they don't understand what's going on in my body, it's been very difficult to explain to them, and we've missed years of making memories. We get to start now. And every day is getting a little bit better. Every week is getting a little bit better. And let's go out and sling some line and get our fly fishing therapy on. Flows look great. Like I said, I didn't check. I didn't do any research. So just decided this is where I wanted to go and where I wanted to be on this weekend. Like a 1-year anniversary. But we will figure it out, and we will do our best. Got a freaking log, dude. That's pretty cool. That's exciting. There it goes. Bye-bye, log. Oh, please. No. So just kind of a recap so far. Not going the greatest. I already lost one. So that's kind of a bummer, but it's all good. Lost a lot of flies, so I think I'm on about, I don't know, I think I've lost probably a dozen so far. So definitely gonna have to reload on flies when I get back to the house and get tying. Yeah, struggling a little bit right now, but we'll get it figured out. He inflamed that thing. Look at that beauty. Good one there. That's a good one. Lose him. Dumb. Nice. Baby. Look at that guy. Dude, did you seriously just come off right there? He did. Holy rollers. Are you free? Dude, so lucky you did come off in the net. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious. Lucky sucker. Let's make sure we get you free and cleared, bud. We'll get you cleared for takeoff. Holy rollers. on, buddy. Beautiful, man. Taking all down. Beautiful too. Look at the spots on this guy. Well, that's going to put a wrap on the day, folks. What an absolute wonderful time. Just a true joy, and so thankful and grateful for the energy to come over here and check this place out and spend some time in this wonderful canyon. Seen some sheep, and they're little young ones. They're out bouncing around this morning, so that was a great start to the day. Got on the water very slow, but once we got it figured out, put a recipe together, the Juju Bettis was the winner for the day. That was the take home. Got us some fish in the net finally. Did get a sling, a little dry fly action there towards the end. Missed one take, but otherwise I'm done worn out. So I'm going to go enjoy the rest of this weekend. Appreciate everybody that has watched, everybody that has subscribed, hung out, given us a view. Thank you for being a part of this. And what a great way to just kind of celebrate this 1 year mark in my life. And I'm looking forward to this next year and seeing how and where fly fishing takes us, and hopefully it continues to be good health. But yeah, thank you again. Appreciate each and every one of you. Everybody that subscribed, dropped a comment or liked. I really do appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed today's footage from the Taylor River. We will see you all next time on Beyond the Fly.